baski piso. If there is any person, magsabi lang siya, naghingi ako ng piso o 5 centimos, and he will stand up and accuse me, and if it's true, I will resign. I will step down as president. In the same manner, yung mga relatives ko, and my son is there, pag nabasa niya, nandyan yung pangalan niya, I assure you, I will, total anyway, after this, pwede mo yung basahin. Hanapin ninyo kung nandyan. And that will be the rule of the day. Congressman Josephine Ramirez Sato of Occidental Mindoro alleged ghost projects in her district. Her alleged bagman is the district engineer, has been staying in position for at least 10 years. Secretary Mark issued an order for the transfer of said district engineer, but until now it has not been implemented due to the intervention of Congressman Sato. Well, the Secretary of DPWH is listening now, maybe, or somebody should relay the message na itong si District Engineer, kung sino man itong yawa na ito, you are relieved beginning tomorrow. If you are listening, this is nationwide. Secretary Mark Villar, kindly implement the order. Get him out of the office by tomorrow, noon time. Former Congressman Teodoro Teddy Bagilat Jr., Ifugao, Lone District, allegedly receiving kickbacks from contractors for construction projects located within Ifugao in connivance with former district engineer Lorna Ricardo. Ricardo has been removed from her post due to the expose made by Commissioner Greco Belica regarding the involvement de Ricardo in corruption activities being perpetrated in your province. Now, District Engineer Ricardo, you have been assigned in Davao City for the longest time. Meron ka ng beach house, meron ka ng lahat. Sa Davao, you stayed there for the longest time because of the congressman also. You are to report tomorrow to the office of the secretary. You are relieved. Ayaw kayo magpa-relieve, then I am ordering you. I'm ordering the relief of secretary sa sus, kinabahan ako. Kaya nakikita ako, Paulo, putang ina. Pagka-resign tayo ng program. Really. It's a matter of honor. Huwag ka sinabi mo gano'n. It is never too late to just be honest. Congressman Alfredo Paulo Vargas, 5th District of Quezon City, allegedly demands for one-time enrollment fee amounting 1 million in addition to the 10 and 12% SOP before the project can be awarded to the contractor. The Marlen Ingolio, District Engineer, pati si District Engineer, kaya pala sabi ko, sige ako basa District Engineer pala itong yawa na ito. District Engineer Divinadera Ramon de Rivera, pati Marim, you are relieved and report to your secretary by tomorrow. Congressman Henry Huminal, Huminal, Huminal nga, allegedly own a construction company, HSO Construction Corporation, its name, and has several construction projects in Misamis Occidental. Ang ano doon, sa district yan, so it covers quite a lot of the Ana District Engineer Ana Lee Manzano, Misamis Occidental First District, First Engineering District, and District Engineer Caroline Abinales, OIC, Misamis Occidental Second District Engineering Office. You are relieved, ma'am. Tomorrow, huwag mo nang hintayin. Tomorrow is tomorrow. By noon time, you should be talking to your boss. Congressman Alisa Siena Pitan, 4th District, Isabela, allegedly owns a construction company that has several construction projects in Isabela. Kay Alisa Siena, District Engineer Edeta Babaran, Isabela 3rd District Engineering Office. District Engineer Edmundo de Luna, Isabela 4th District Engineering Office. Marami po. Congressman Paul Dasa, 1st District of Northern Samar, allegedly determines all the winning bidders in his legislative district, receives 20 to 25% kickback from contractors. Congressman Angelina Helen Tan, anomalous National Road Project in Quezon Province, a newly constructed road. Malayo kasi ito. The newly constructed road that has not been open for public use was already broken at the onset of storm. It looks like beyond repair. Congressman Eric Yap, ACT-CIS party list, legislative caretaker of Benguet, alleged rigging of bid through his agent, exerting influence in choosing his district engineer to be able to control the awarding of projects in the district assigned to him. Intervene in the investigation against si Ricardo, lumabas na naman ang pangalan. Si babae ito. She's already a millionaire. Ricardo by calling up Commissioner Greco and requesting him to drop the case against District Engineer Ricardo. Alam mo, by just mere calling, that simple call can send you to jail. Ano yan eh? Punishable by Republic Act 3019, Anti-Graft Law. District Engineer Ireneo Galato, Benguet, 1st District Engineering Office. District Engineer Romilda A. Bagasan, Benguet Engineering Office. Congressman Geraldine Roman, 1st District, Bataan, allegedly asking for 10% kickback for all DPWH projects in your district. Ito, congressman and DPWH officials to be determined. Back receive an email asking whether it is normal for a congressman to get 20% SOP from every basketball pin, mga anti-graph yan eh. Dito, DPWH, ghost projects involving construction of bridges in Camarines Norte. Now, itong mga engineer na I mentioned, just for good measure, just the same, I do not condemn you. I give you the presumption of innocence, just like the congressman. It so happens that your name was cropped up during an investigation. Lahat ng No, I would like to ask Secretary Villar to give me the list of all district engineers and the districts they are assigned all over the country. I will reorganize the assignments. Ikutin ko kayong lahat. Kayo yung meron talagang kahit ito si Ricardo, I'll assign you to Basilan. Kasi pinaputok ng IIED yung mga sundalo ko doon, nasisira yung daan. Itong pangalan, it is a validation. And that, ma-validate ko itong si Ricardo. May bitsaso ito, mansion, malaki. Kilala mo yan, bot? Igsuon man yan iguan. Susobrado. No, ito, marami itong bilyonaryo na to. Totoo lang. Kaya ako ang reshuffle ko silang lahat. Baliktarin ko, tapos baliktarin ko ulit. Para yan,